This is the EPOS IMPACT 500 headset, which has just been released. And if you work from the office and out in the field, the IMPACT 500 might just be the headset that you've been looking for. So let's jump in with my review and microphone test to see if it actually delivers. Thank you EPOS for sending me this headset, which I've been rigorously testing for over a week, both in and out of my office, on my laptop and on my phone. But this video is not sponsored and all views are my own. And thanks to Bob over here for beautifully modeling, if not a bit creepily. Let's go! Inside the box, you get the EPOS IMPACT 500 headset, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and if you've got the dongle version, a USB-C dongle, and of course a carry pouch. Now let's start with what makes this headset ideal for people who work from anywhere, like me. The IMPACT 500 is lightweight, comfortable, and built for mobility. You get breathable leatherette ear pads, a soft padded headband, and a flexible boom arm that rotates for left or right wear. It's easy to pack, durable, and genuinely comfortable for long hours. I haven't felt any of that gradual ear pain that you get on some headsets the longer you wear them. Plus, with the multi-point Bluetooth pairing, you can stay connected to both your laptop and phone at the same time. No need to switch devices manually. Talking of connectivity, the IMPACT 500 is certified for Zoom Workplace, WebEx by Cisco, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. In fact, not just boring standard Microsoft Teams certified, the IMPACT 500 is actually certified for Microsoft Teams OpenOffice, with a future software release that will add support for Teams over native Bluetooth. This native integration gives you the same level of functionality you'd expect from a dongle connected setup, including the ability to ring out, answer, and end calls directly from the headset. So you're not just getting a basic wireless connection, you're getting full Teams functionality wirelessly without the dongle. Now, dongles do have their advantages, like longer range, lower latency, and more stable connections in high interference environments. And this specific headset that I am testing is the model option, which does come with a dongle if you prefer using one. I reserve it mainly for when I need to quickly switch to a device which I haven't wirelessly connected to with this headset in the past. I can just put the dongle in and it's good to go. The mic is powered by EPOS AI and adaptive beamforming. Let me just try saying that again the way it's meant to be said. Adaptive beamforming, which means it's scanning your environment 32,000 times per second to isolate your voice and cancel out background noise. And I've got to say, it works a treat, which you're about to witness on my live mic test. A quiet office background and switching now to the microphone. How am I sounding? Busy office background noise without the microphone, and now with the microphone. How quiet does that sound? Outside in a busy city center without the microphone, and now with the microphone, how is that sounding? Outside with wind in the background, and here with the microphone on, with wind in the background. How does it sound? Testing now with trumpets in the background, and now with the microphone. How's it sounding? How is the microphone cancelling out those trumpets? Everything's pretty silent for me. Really, really good noise cancellation, both on the microphone and for me in my ears. It's not just about sounding clear, it's about reducing the mental effort it takes to stay focused on a call. That's where EPOS BrainAdapt technology comes in. It's designed to reduce listening fatigue, improve speech recognition, and help you stay sharp during long meetings. So whether you're in a noisy office or working from a cafe, your voice stays clear and your brain doesn't have to work overtime to stay engaged. The hybrid ANC blocks out distractions without making you feel cut off. It uses both external and internal microphones to tune out background noise across different frequencies. And if someone walks up to your desk or you need to quickly chat with a colleague, you can tap the ANC button to activate talk through mode. This is the function that some other brands call transparency mode. For battery life, you get over 35 hours of talk time, which is more talk time compared to similar devices out there. The controls are intuitive: boom arm, lift to mute, lower to answer, hook button, play or pause music, busy light, mute LED. With the EPOS IMPACT 500, you can pair with up to 8 devices. Who on earth? The dongle version gives you up to 30 meters of range and a more stable connection. And with the Bluetooth connection, there is no official distance figure given, as it varies based on the device it's connected to. But I found the headset went plenty far enough on my own little tests. You've got the EPOS Connect app for personal settings and firmware updates, and EPOS Manager for IT teams to manage devices remotely. Now, let's talk price. The Impact 500 with a dongle is around £199 or $299. The Impact 500 without a dongle is around £169 or $249 RRP. That's competitive, especially considering most premium headsets with similar features like the Jabra Evolve 2 65, Logitech Zone Wireless 2 or Poly Voyager Focus 2 sit in the $280 to $350 range. So in conclusion, I think the EPOS Impact 500 might be one of the best all-round headsets available right now, especially with the next level connectivity features and how comfortable it is for all-day wear, whether you're working at your desk or on the move. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you later. Sound test, sound testing now with trumpets in the background without